Hello guys, good to have you back for another video of Service Reset My Car. In today's video I'm going to show you can get rid of this indicator over here, the flat tire indicator of a Renault Trafic 2022 building year. This one comes from 22 till 23 if I remember correctly, and in this short video I'm going to show you I can get rid of that. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 600 other videos on how to reset different model cars, some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, first of all, turn the ignition on. Ignition is turned on. Then we're going to use this button over here to find the second indicator over here with a car sign on it. Then it says tire pressure initialization long press. Press the OK button over here. You'll see that it's blinking, and when it stops blinking you'll see the yellow indicator sign of the tire pressure has disappeared. Do your check. Ignition off, ignition back on, start the car, and the indicator has disappeared. This was a Renault Trafic 2022. I hope you enjoyed it. It helped you. Don't forget to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.